Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. Today I will explain how you can use GPT-4 model free with Bing, which is a part of Microsoft Edge. Okay, so you already have a ChatGPT OpenAI platforms where you can search anything, but you will not able to search anything under the GPT-4 model. The reason behind is this is currently a paid version, so you must have to go and upgrade yourself. So here you can see currently I'm open the ChatGPT OpenAI model, and our current version is GPT 3.5. So if you want to use GPT-4 model, then you must have to go and upgrade yourself. So currently you have the available when demand is low, standard response speed, and a regular model update. So that means this is the basic things that is currently provided by ChatGPT with the GPT-3 model. But when you will upgrade yourself with the latest GPT model called GPT-4, then you will have something extra like available even when demand is high. Obviously, faster response speed and priority access to the new features. Okay, so currently I'm not going to upgrade myself, so I will show you how we can use the GPT-4 model with the Bings. Okay, so currently, for your understanding, I have some question like what is the current version of the ChatGPT that I'm using. So I will ask the question from our current OpenAI panel that I have already used. So I'm asking what is the current version of the ChatGPT model, I mean GPT model that I'm using. Okay, so it is giving some example that I'm sorry, but as an AI model, I do not have the access to the specific permissions. I'm trained on the GPT 3.5 architecture, so it is already, indicated to you guys that we are using the GPT 3.5 model architecture. This is not currently, we are not currently using the more than that version. Okay, so how you can use that particular version? So here you will go and click on start. I mean, I'm using the window, and I have clicked on start. Otherwise, you can go and click on internet is as well. So for example, here you can go, and in the right corner you can see here the Bing icon, and by default it is showing a chatbot, I mean chat panel, where you can write anything. But from here, I mean, if you want to go, then you will just click on that and you will be opened on a bigger screen. So here you have the panel which is provided by Microsoft and under the Bing. Okay, so here what current version we are using. So for that I have already framed a question like what GPT model is currently using by Bing. So I mean, this is the confusion in the broader community that currently ChatGPT-4 model is not available free. But yes, Bing is already released their version with the GPT-4 model. So here, when I asked a question from Bing's, so what is the GPT model? GPT model is currently being used by. So here is the answer like Microsoft Microsoft has revealed that it's being using GPT-4 model. So it is clearly written by the Microsoft that currently the Bing is using GPT-4 model. So from the browsing point of view, you can use the GPT-4 model with the help of Bing. I mean, we have some other platform or other software as well by which you can use the GPT-4 model freely from the browsing perspectives, but still we are not able to use the GPT-4 model without license in terms of API integration and all. Okay, so from the browsing perspective, so you can use it. Okay, so this is the differences, and some questions if you will ask from the I mean, what is the basic differences in between? So when I will ask a question from GPT-4 model, content length of the GPT-4 model. Okay, so obviously because of new implementation and more training in terms of data, the chat GPT is providing us more than previous version, response more than previous version. Okay, so previously it was something called, so here is the answer. So according to the few source, GPT-4 model can generate response of more than 25 words. Okay, so previously it was a lower limit like 10,000 to 12,000 words. It the maximum limit that is providing by the GPT-3 model, GPT 3.5 model. Okay, so these are some basic differences. If you want to know about the more differences in between, then you can go and search here what is the other differences in between GPT-3 and GPT-4 and GPT-3 model. So here you will have the answers related to that. So you can go and search about the things like what are the differences in between. Okay, so one of the most significant differences in between GPT-3 and GPT-4 model is the model size. So GPT-4 model is substantially larger than GPT-3 models. Okay, this is the very basic things that you need to consider. GPT-4 model is said to be more reliable, creative, collaborative, and able to handle more complex questions and queries than GPT-3 model. As GPT-4 model is text-only model, provides apps and a website with a more effective and a user interface is also possible. So a lot of possibility is there with the GPT-4 model as compared to GPT-3 models. Okay, you can go and explore yourselves regarding that. So our intention is to show that you can browse any questions and you can experience GPT-4 as a free with the help of Bings, which is provided by Microsoft. So it is totally authenticated and looks, if you want to experience yourself with the GPT-4, then you can go with Bing right now. It is very easy to use. There's no license. Yes, one thing is required. You must have the account of the Microsoft by which you will log in and you will go and start your conversation. Okay, and if you want to upgrade yourself in the existing OpenAI chat window, then you will have the option called upgrade to plus. Okay, so you must have this. I already have described. So when you will go and upgrade yourself, so for example, if you will click on that upgrade plan, so you will have a option, payment option, and there you have to pay if you want to upgrade yourself with GPT-4 model. Otherwise, that's all related to how you can use the GPT-4 model. Okay, if you feel this video looks informative, then please subscribe our channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future updates, and like is also required to spread this type of content over broader community, and please share with your dev community as well for the future updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.